This is a NeuroTracker tutorial. In this video, you'll learn to add a user and start a core session. First, start the NeuroTracker program and log in with your username and password. When you see the home screen, you're ready to add a user. To add a user, go to the Manage Users menu on your toolbar. Select Add User. Fill in your user's information. The fields highlighted in yellow are required. Everything else is optional. Fill in gender, first name, last name, and date of birth. Choose a group to place the user in. Groups are how you organize users within NeuroTracker. Next, choose a category you want to associate with your user. If you don't see one that applies, you can type a custom category into the box and click Add. It will be saved for this user and can be applied to future users. Last, specify the user's medical condition, if applicable. If the user does not wish to disclose this information, you can select Other. Look over the information you've just input. If you're satisfied, click Add. You now have a new NeuroTracker user. Let's start a session for your new user. All new users start with 3 core sessions, which gives them their initial baseline. Click Core on the home screen. From the Core menu, select a group to find your user. Select your user's name. Finally, select a mode. We recommend Core Personal. In Core Personal, the settings adapt automatically to challenge each user. Look over what you selected. If you're satisfied, click Run Session. Your core session will launch right after a brief introduction video. Here you'll see NeuroTracker running at speed 1.0. Pay close attention to the 3 red targets. In a second, they're going to turn yellow. You need to track those 3 and identify them when they stop moving. Did you follow all 3? Let's see the answers. Alright, hopefully you got all 3. Thanks for watching. NeuroTracker, enhance your attention.